I think grieving has its own time. You don't say that I'm not going to grieve anymore tomorrow. Grieving is today you're sad, maybe tomorrow you're okay. The following day maybe you're just lutang. The following day you're just happy with remembering the person you love with all the beautiful memories. The following day it can be something else. So grieving is, it comes in waves. You know, it comes in waves. And you just, I guess, try to live one day at a time. You just take it in. But I have to be honest, sometimes
not kung ano lang yung kaya mo pwedeng sabihin. Okay.
Yeah, no. When I think about Mom, I forget she's gone. You know, sometimes yung isip ko lang so much. And then you snap back and then you remember she's no longer there. As I said nga, it comes in waves, but if there's one thing I guess with, like, I'm sure with Derek Louie and with Misty, you carry with you the beautiful memories. Those are the things that you will always just be thankful and grateful for, that you were part of their journey in life and that they are part of yours. And that you just carry that with you through time until we're here. And then hopefully whatever, you know, whatever beautiful memories that you've shared with them, you can pass it on along and just tell everyone about the beautiful things that they've done in their life while they were here. So, yun. Pagdating naman sa aming magkakapatid, I'd like to apologize to my co-actors, to Miss T, to Ate Cooks, to Eloy, to Derek, and to Miss Mama Beth. Today is just not a good day for me. If I may just go straight to the point, I'd like to say excuse me to my LBT family. I know this is not the proper venue and all, but let's just take it out there. Okay na ba yun, Mas? Ian was interviewed before I came here. He was in Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Hindi ko siya nakausap ng isang taon na. Ian and I have not spoken in 1 year. So many things have been said about me, about my dad, about my two brothers. I have never said anything. Why? Because nirerespeto ko pa rin ang mami ko. At nirerespeto ko ang daddy namin na si Christopher De Leon. A lot of things have been thrown about me through time, even when my mom was alive, and I did not say anything at all. And yet people keep throwing stones at me. Walang utang na loob. Paulit-ulit. Suwayin na anak, walang bantang tao. Okay. If that makes you happy, so be it. Pero ang hindi ko matitake ay ang isang sinungaling na tao. I came out with a statement a few months ago because what was being thrown at me is mana. Yung mana na yan, just to clarify, Ma'am, Miss D, I'm sorry po, this is about the show, but I'm really sorry. I apologize. Anyway.